Dear students, welcome to 42nd Maths class. Let us continue solving the same type problems in this class also. First question. Find values of k. Find values of k if area of triangle is 4 square units and vertices are k, 0, 4, 0, 2. Observe that question carefully, students. Here it is asked to find out values of k values required. For that we are given to calculate k values. What we are given is triangle's area of the triangle. In addition to that, vertices are also being given. Right? Solution. You all know that very well. We represent area of the triangle by delta. Delta means area of the triangle. That means delta value given. How much is delta? 4. That is area of the triangle. Here I am taking plus or minus. You must take plus or minus because delta means determinant. Determinant value can be either positive or negative. You have seen for some determinants we will get positive value. For some other determinants we will get a negative value. Keeping that in mind, whenever delta value is given, you go for using plus or minus, or otherwise if you are good in GK, if you are good in general knowledge, you see that question. Here it is asked, find the values of k. Values of k means how many k's required? 2 k's. For 2 k's I must have to use plus or minus. If I don't use plus or minus, I won't get 2k values. I hope you understood that. Next, k0, what is this given? 4, 0. Next, 0, 2. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So write formula and substitute. Tell me delta formula. Half into x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y1, 1, 1. Now you substitute for these three students, you will get k value. Tell me that how much is delta value? Plus or minus 4. 1 by 2 into. So x1 k, x2 4, x3 0, y1 0, y2 0, y3 2, 1, 1. Right? So y1, y2, y3. Okay students, thank you. Here we have 1 by 2. You cross multiply this 4. Bring this to this side. 4 2s are 8. You will get 8. That implies plus or minus 8 is equal to expand this. Expanding. You learnt expanding very well. K into. Leave this row and this column. New row and column. Expand. Find determinant. 0, minus 2. Next, minus 0 into anything is 0. Plus 1 into. Leave that column row. 4 to the 8 minus 0. Right? I hope you are understanding. That implies plus or minus 8 equals minus 2 into k minus 2k. minus 2 into k minus 2k, because 0 minus 2 is minus 2 into k minus 2k. Leave that 0. Need not to consider 0. 8 minus 0, 8. 8 into 1, 8. It is plus 8. Plus 8. Now, to do one thing, students, you take plus equation, find out 1k. You take minus equation, find the other k. You will get 2k values. Let us take plus equation. Plus 8 is equal to minus 2k plus 8. K required. Keep that k term on one side. Send the remaining on other sides. Listen to me. Bring that minus 2k this side. If I bring this minus 2k this side, it is plus 2k. 8, send this 8 right side. 8 minus 8, 0. 2k equals 0. That implies k equals 0 by anything is 0. We got one of the k value. Similarly, you find out one more k value. Minus 8. Minus 8 is equal to minus 2k plus 8. Again, you think of finding k. Bring that minus 2k this side, students. It is plus 2k. 8. Send minus 8 right side. Plus 8. That implies 2k. 8 plus 8 is 16. So that implies k is equal to 2 8s. 8. So many k values. There are 2 k values. So simple question for 2 marks. Let us solve one more question of the same type. If area of triangle is 35 square units. 35 square units with what is this? With what is this? With what is this? 2 minus 6, 5 4 and K4. Find the values of K. Find the values of K. I hope it is so easy question. You people are able to solve this type of questions. So now, let us minimize the number of steps. Let us minimize the number of steps, students. It is easy. Minimize the steps. Right. I write area formula directly. Delta equals half into x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. That implies substitute for delta value. How much is delta? Plus or minus 35 is equal to 1 by 2 into substitute for x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. Tell me x1 value 2, x2 5, x3 k, y1 minus 6, y2 4, y3 4, 1, 1, 1. That implies cross multiply. 35 2s are 70 plus or minus 70 is equal to, so expand right side 2 into leave that column 4 ones are 4 minus 4 minus of minus plus 6 leave this column and row 5 minus k next plus minus plus 1 into leave this column row 5 4s are 20 minus 4k. Right. Plus or minus 70. This is 0. 4 minus 4 0. 0 and everything is 0. So 6 5s are 30 minus 6k. 30 minus 6k plus 20 minus 4k. That implies plus or minus 70 is equal to 30 plus 20, 50 minus 6 minus 4 minus 10k minus 10k. Again you take plus equation, find one of the k, take minus equation, find the other k. So that implies 70 is equal to 50 minus 10k. You do one thing, k required. Here the term k is having negative sign. Bring that to this side. Better way. It is better way. 10k is equal to 50 minus 70. So that is 10k, 50 minus 70 minus 20. Minus 20. And tell me k value. I think it is minus 2. K is minus 2. So one more. Let us find one more k value. Minus 70 is equal to 50 minus 10k. As usual, bring that this side. 10k is equal to 50 plus, send that to minus 70 right side, plus 70. So 10k equals 50, I think 120. 120. That implies k equals 12. 120 by 10, 0 get cancels, so we will get k. So how many k values we got? 2 k values. 2 k values are being found. I hope you understood. I think you could be able to solve this type of questions on your own. If I write question, you solve that at home. I need not to solve it since. Right. Next question. Find k if area of triangle is 3 square units and what is its solve? A13, B00, C K0. Solution. Let us find same K, right? Are you all understanding? I hope you are understanding. Okay, solution. Directly write delta is equal to half into x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. Substitute in that area of the triangle delta given. Since delta, it is determinant can be either positive or negative. Keeping that in mind, so you take this delta value as plus or minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 x1 is 1, x2 0, x3 k, y1 is 3, y2 0, y3 0, 1, 1, 1. Simplify that. Plus or minus 6 is equal to, expand on right side, 1 into, leave this row column, 0 minus 0, it is 0, minus 3 into, leave that column row, 0 minus k, minus 3 into 0 minus k, plus 1 into 0 minus 0. That implies plus or minus 6 is equal to, this is 0, this one is also 0. Leave that, minus into minus plus 3k. Here it is so easy. 6 is equal to 3k, 3 2s are. That implies k is equal to, bring that 3 down, 3 2s are, k2. Now one more, minus 6 is equal to 3k, again bring that 3 down, minus 2, k equals to minus 2. I hope you understood this. Here we have one more question. You solve that at home on your own, by your own. Find the area of the triangle. Find k if area of the triangle is find k if area of the triangle is 4 square units and vertices are minus 2 comma 0 0 comma 4 and 0 comma k. I hope you understood this. You solve this question on your own. Let us solve one more type of questions. One more type. Let us solve one more type of question. First question is find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line joining A 1 3 and B 0 0 using determinants. So this type of questions are also being asked for your annual exams. So you need to focus on this type of questions also, students. And look at this. Here, find the equation of the line. Straight lines equation required. A1 3. Find the equation of straight line. Joining the points. If I join these 2 points, I am going to get a line. Equation of that line is asked. Right. B 0 0. To find equation of any line, this general point is required, students. General point required. Or you apply your GK, general knowledge, to make use of that area of the triangle formula. How many points required? 3 points required. 2 are given in your question. You generate. You only write this general point by your own. You only have to write that. Otherwise, how can you solve? You cannot solve. Correct? Okay. Let us use delta formula. Figure not required. Just to understand the concept easily, I have written this line. So this figure is not required. No marks for this. They won't give any marks for this. Delta is equal to half into x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. Observe carefully, students. Points lies on the same line. Collinear. Have you heard that word collinear? Is it possible to form a triangle by using collinear points? No means no area. No area means what is the value of delta? 0. Very good. 0. Half into. So tell me x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Substitute. Tell me x1, x. x2 is 1, x3 is 0, y1 is y, y2 is 3, y3 is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. 0 and everything is 0. 0 and everything is 0. Expand it. 0 equals x into. Leave that row column. 3 ones are 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0. Minus y into. Comes minus y. Leave that column row. 1 ones are 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0. Plus 1 into. Plus 1 into. So do that column row. 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0. So right, simplify that, student, you will get straight lines equation. 0 is equal to 3 into x. 3x minus y into 1 minus y. So the other terms are 0. So for this itself you will get marks, 2 marks. This is straight lines equation. Or you write y is equal to 3x. y is equal to mx plus c. Have you heard that line? Y is equal to mx plus c. All linear equations, linear, power 1, all linear equations represents straight lines. Okay, thank you students. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.